Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today I'm actually going to be sharing with you a review that I have on a tool maybe that you're doing some due diligence or research on, which is called Lead Lightning. I think this is going to be an insightful review on Lead Lightning because it's a new review that I'm doing. They have a new back office. I want to share that with you guys. I do have it, but I'm going to be blunt with you guys to tell you what are the pros and the cons during this video so that you can make an informed decision whether it makes sense for you. Now, I do believe that Lead Lightning has a place in the market, and I'm going to share with you how it's going to help. But you can make your decision definitely if it's for you or not. Okay, so let's go ahead. I want to share with you my affiliate marketing strategy. If you guys are coming to my channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. I talk about skill sets when it comes to affiliate marketing, the tools that I use, and strategies that I use related to affiliate marketing because it's helped me in my journey as just online itself. I've had my successes, I've had my failures, but at the end of the day, I think that the skill set is the most important thing that we can use in order for us to not only solve problems, but then at the end of the day, make an extra income for ourselves or supplement our primary source of income. So that's pretty much how I look at it, but it's focused on skill sets. Now, I don't look at the hype, I don't look at different opportunities, I don't review every product or service out there. So if you are coming to my videos, it's because you have searched for them usually, and that's why you're watching these videos. Okay. So I follow a very simple strategy. If you guys at any point of time want to know my strategy, this is it. It is always going to be the same strategy because I believe in what I call a funded proposal. I have a day job. I work full time, guys. This is just on the side. And I follow this funded proposal to be able to have a budget that I can maintain in order for me to consistently grow my side income and affiliate income on in this journey. And it works in such a way that I leverage a traffic source that basically helps me gain a budget around $300 to $500 every single month. I use that 300 to $500 every month to in step two, as you can see, and then build my email list. And then as I build my email list, I'm basically solving problems for different marketers, mainly struggling marketers in this space or newbies that are looking to supplement their income. The journey is what I am sharing because that's the journey that I am on. Okay. The outcome at the end of the day is that you're learning skills like email marketing, you're learning skills like advertising, which are the two main important skills that we need in any kind of business. And that will help you adapt according to whatever service you have to offer, whether it's a brick and mortar business, whether it's an online service, a SaaS company, whatever it is. I think it's going to be definitely beneficial to you. Okay, so that's pretty much what I focus on. And as I said, I follow the strategy. I'm glad I was able to incorporate that. So in this whole entire strategy, if you think about it, I use the offer here in step one as lead lightning to share as one of the offers that I provide in step one. What is lead lightning? When you have to go about and build this entire process, guys, we use tools or software that help us build this sales process. Lead Lightning is basically a very simplified version of a funnel that can give you a sales process and a product pretty much in the whole as a nutshell. So it's a low ticket product, costs $7 to get started, and it gives you this funnel that is basically going to take you through this process of sharing with you how to generate leads, how to generate sales in whatever you do out there. Additionally, it also gives you an option to, let's say, if you're in a network marketing company or if you have another product or service that is your main product or service, you can put that within this funnel, focus on just promoting the funnel. You're that way starting to earn those $6 commissions basically, and then you are able to also promote your primary business using this simple done for you element. I would say that it is a great starting product. And so let me do this. Let me give you guys an overview of the entire product, and then I'm going to tell you my opinion about it for who it is and for who it's not, and if there are any better options out there available also. Okay, I want to be really blunt in this review, so let's go ahead and look at it. So this is the newest back office. Lead Lightning is a 10-year-old company. It is not something new. It is the base. It basically is the entry product for the Power Lead system, which is a company that is there in this space for the last 10, actually 11 to 12 years, and or maybe more than that. I remember when it just started. So I can literally see, and in fact, this is why I own Lead Lightning, because years and years and years ago, as you can see, maybe from if I go and share with you, if I go to the money aspect, you'll see that, and I go to commissions right here. I can even show you that I have been in this since 2015. You can see, so it's at least 10 years that I have personally been in within this business. Okay, this was a commission that I earned in 2015, guys, that I joined a long time ago. And I joined specifically as, as a member for Lead Lightning, but it was you I used it along the years to share different products and services. Now they have basically launched Lead Lightning 2.0, which has an AI element to it, and a lot of added bonuses, in my opinion. So I believe for $7 you are getting quite a lot from Lead Lightning. If you are just interested and you're looking and you don't know how to, if you want to learn about traffic generation or advertising, if you want to learn about actually this entire sales process, how does it work, or how is it going to help you in your entire journey online in your business, then I think that's also a good way to get in the door with Lead Lightning and get this information, because you'll be able to see the sales process working for you. And then the last thing that is really interesting is that they've added an AI element to it, which is basically an AI sales process. So what Lead Lightning has done with this revamp is that they have automated a lot of what they were struggling with in the past. And therefore, it's become a really easy way to introduce people to what a sales funnel is, and a software like Leadlight. Is it the best software or not? This I'm going to answer the question later on. So stay tuned. Let me just go over the entire product so that you see. So when you purchase the $7, basically you get access to this over here. And it's a very step-by-step guided process. There's a 6-minute video that you'll get access to, which will talk to you about Lead Lightning. Okay, I'll just show you, like, here it gives you an idea of what Lead Lightning is. It's a a video from the owner, which is Neil himself, and he's in his house there, and that he's basically giving you an walkthrough of the entire process, everything that's here. It's a very well done setup that they have. Then you have the step 1, which is join the Facebook group. Step 2 is you can see the coaching calendar. So they have different events that are going on, and all of this for $7, guys. You get access. Literally, if you don't know anything, it's a great place to get access to it. And then you can advertise your link by clicking here. If basically, I'll show you guys where it goes to. It takes you to a step-by-step overview and walkthrough of what to do first, what to do second, what to do third, and how to set up your marketing assistant, your AI marketing assistant, to doing all your copywriting, your advertising, everything else, understanding the money and the products that are available, the weekly coaching. So it's giving you a 5-minute daily plan at the end of the day. So this is very practical in the approach that they have, and that's what I personally like about this change, is that they've done it in a very systematic way. If you join, you go step 1, step 2, step 3. And one of the things that you can see right here is that I remember I said, if you have a primary business, you can basically share the URL link over here. And what it does is that when the emails go out to those buyers, then they are also getting visibility to this offer that you have right here. Okay, so it's a generic email. It's not going to be specific to that product. You can't make any changes to the emails or anything like that, but it goes to this offer. And then you promote this link right here. This link is basically the funnel that you're promoting. Okay, this is the funnel that you would send to any advertising, whether it's paid advertising, whether it's whatever advertising. That's where you send it. Then you have the sales page right here. This is the sales page that they have. It's a very well done sales page. It's what I use the most and I share with people, because it is an interactive sales page. You can see exactly, how much, if you want to earn your earnings per month, per year, whatever it is that you have to offer, they have to offer, you can see right here on the page. It's very well done in my opinion. And as you can see, the sales page converts also. So that's the sales page right there. And then you can select to have a call with the CEO, which is quite cool. Okay, so that's the onboarding process done very well, very, very well in my opinion. And then you can see on the left hand side over here, they say how to get sales. This is another training which is basically teaching you how to supercharge your sales process, and it's also giving you advertising methodologies right here. And then you can have these two other programs which are paid. Okay, so what is free ad secrets is paid, and AAA workshop is also paid. But then if you go to the training area right here, it'll take you to another page that you can see right here, and you'll be able to see the schedule of the calendar, basically what's going on, the marketing itself, what's available. Okay, so this is the paid marketing that you can get access to. These are providers that they have already vetted. Then case studies if you want to see, and then the training, which is what I like to share with people. This training right here, guys, is really in depth. So I'm going to give you an example, right? Let's say that you want to learn about solo ads. Some people recommend solo ads, some people don't recommend solo ads, but at the end of the day, the mindset, whether you do solo ads or you do Facebook ads or you do any kind of paid advertising, the mindset still remains the same in those trainings. That's what I want you to take back. Okay, paid traffic or paid marketing, there's a certain mindset that you have to get into where it becomes a spending mindset of this is the traffic and how do I make my ROI. Most of the times, I would say understanding this, if you are if you have a right overview of your product, you're going to go away with the knowledge that says, okay, I need to be organically first building my business, and then I go into paid advertising once I have the structure and the process done for me. Because otherwise you waste your money on the the paid advertising, right? So this is, even if it brings you that awareness, I think that's the greatest, that's a really good starting point for your business. So this is a great training to have. And all of this for $7 is really, really, really nice to see. And then you have obviously different tools. You can check your buyer list, your money, and then you can upgrade your account. There's a lot that they have to offer. Okay. So for $7, I believe that Lead Lightning is a really good place to get started, guys. Really good place to get started, because also the automation on the back end is all done with AI. And that's going to make the difference, right? The follow-ups, the SMS follow-ups, and so on and so forth is done by AI. It's a really good training ground, in my opinion, for anybody who's getting in these on the online space. Now, I'm gonna answer the difficult questions. The difficult questions when it comes to, is this a great software to have? As Lead Lightning, there's very little that you can change. Okay, the only thing that you can actually change is the link that you're sending somebody to in the funnel itself. But because it's such a low-end product and because it has so much of automation in place, this Lead Lightning funnel itself is pretty standardized, right? So you cannot make any changes. It is not flexible to changes. If you do want to make the changes, how can you do that with Lead Lightning is you need to upgrade your account to the Power Lead system. Once you get into the Power Lead system, then you can make those flexible changes. And it costs you, if I'm not mistaken, about $54 to be an active member of the Power Lead system. Okay. So that is something to pay attention to. You would not need anything else. I think you can get an autoresponder as well, but it would be around $54 any which ways to get started with Power Lead system. Okay. In terms of prices, for the $7, it's pretty nice information that you're getting. In terms of this, for the training, it's great for the training. I think this software is really, really great for the training. However, for the software in itself, I don't think it's the best software out there in the marketplace right now. I think there are other softwares that are much more advanced than what Lead Lightning has or Power Lead System has available. I think it's a little bit more clunkier. I'm not saying that it doesn't serve its purpose. I mean, to each one has their own way of dealing with it. But as a software company, this is more focused on the earning opportunity than the software itself. And the other companies that are there in the space, like Go High Level, ClickFunnels, System.io, these are all other softwares that are pretty much doing the same thing as a funnel builder and have better softwares as a whole. They are focused as software companies. Okay, I think Lead Lightning is more focused as a earning or income opportunity than actually a software itself. So that's what's out there, and that's what's available. I'm not, and this is not dissing them or saying anything bad about Power Lead System. I'm just saying in terms of like if the comparison between the other softwares in the space, it is not comparable in my, but it does serve its purpose. So though that is my honest opinion. If you are somebody who has a complicated sales funnel process, then either you can get the software and then work around the software, or you have other options available, right? So you can make the decision which is the best and affordable option for you out there. And you will have very, very limited features with lead lightning. Actually, you don't have any, you cannot make any flexible changes. So you would need at least a Powerly system to be able to be flexible, make those changes, have the freedom if of building your sales process the way you want. And that's my opinion about it. They have, as I said, made a change in the back office. I wanted to show you guys this. It costs $7 for $7. I don't think there is an issue with it at all. I use it as a good entry point product for many people. And honestly, that's literally all I use it for. The complicated part of my sales process and my email marketing is done with other softwares. If you guys don't know what that is, I primarily use System.io. You'll find a link to System.io and Lead Lightning in the description of this video. One is free, the other one costs $7. Up to you if you want to get started. I hope this overview has given you some insight. Do me a favor and let me know in the comments if it has. And if you do like the way I'm sharing these videos, I put out these videos because I just want to make sure that you have the content that's available and you can see it for yourself. Let me know in the comments below. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. Cheers.